At Epicor, we understand the unique challenges you face in today's dynamic service environment. Handling field service and asset management activities can be difficult. With communication gaps, inefficient scheduling, and knowing how to leverage current technology like IoT, various issues can cause service delays, increase costs, and harm customer satisfaction. These challenges ultimately impact loyalty and brand reputation. Efficiently overcoming these obstacles is essential for maintaining a competitive edge in the manufacturing industry. This is where the capabilities of the service and asset management solution within Epicor Kinetic comes into play. These tools were designed with manufacturers for manufacturers to bring speed, efficiency, and enhanced communication to your fingertips. Let's look at how this service and asset management toolset can help support a seamless, customer-centric operation. Let's start with Kinetic's embedded field service solution. This tool is primarily designed for manufacturers who bring customer assets in-house for repair, or who have minimal requirements for service or installations off-site that do not require purpose-built mobile access for field technicians. For manufacturers looking to take their remote service businesses to the next level, we have a solution. Epicor Field Service Management, or FSM for short, is designed for companies heavily involved with resourcing and scheduling for on-site service, as well as managing technicians who perform those on-site activities. With a robust integration with Kinetic, FSM is an end-to-end cloud field service software solution. It automates service and equipment maintenance activities wherever customer equipment is located. FSM reduces billing turnaround time, improves customer service, and puts the right technicians in the right place at the right time. This allows customers to focus on managing and growing their service and installation business. Let's turn now to the Returned Material Authorization solution within Kinetic, which offers enterprise-wide tracking of pending returns and disposition of these parts by a unique Returned Materials Authorization Number, or RMA. This tool allows users to enter information about returns, then transfer that information to the different groups that may need to take action, like inspection, billing, and order processing. Contract management, used in conjunction with service management, allows for the timely and accurate execution of service contracts. This includes the ability to generate service-level agreements with automatic billing options. The Service Call Center Workbench allows you to add or update service orders, schedule services, execute purchase and material planning, and manage warranty and service contracts. Fully integrated with Field Service Management, Case Management lets you easily access dispatching field activities. You'll be able to provide field service representatives with access to online knowledge bases, existing customer field service calls, warranty information, and service contracts. Comprehensive contact management, communication, and traceability capabilities allow you to efficiently manage and record all customer and staff interactions across the enterprise. Finally, maintenance management provides a comprehensive toolset for critical production and facilities equipment maintenance. It was designed to address maintenance request processing, planned preventative maintenance, and ad hoc break-fix maintenance processing for a single piece of equipment. The service and asset management toolset from Epicor enables manufacturers to excel in today's competitive service and asset management landscape. With these Kinetic tools at your disposal, you won't just overcome challenges. You'll set new standards for excellence in field service management. Are you ready to experience the full potential of service and asset management within Epicor Kinetic? Contact us to schedule a live demo.